Discussing tourism recovery, Sojern shares recent market trends.
So looking ahead for the next 60 days of travel into Europe, which is the rest of the summer, we see Greece being the most popular destination, and we're seeing that with like a lot of the UAE low-cost airlines adding routes into different Greek islands, which is great. And then we're also seeing some demand for France, Spain, and Italy would probably be the other big markets in Italy where we're seeing demand picking up. One market that does stand out is the US. We're seeing a large share of UAE population actually looking at US trips, apart from some of the European ones we spoke about. We're seeing much more demand for domestic stays this year, as you'd expect, so the good old staycation, with around 90% of those people searching for up to 3 day breaks during that period. If you're looking at the domestic market specifically and breaking it out by Emirates, we see Dubai taking up the lion's share of intent at around 65% of demand, followed by Abu Dhabi at 17% and Ras Al Khaimah at 8%. We're seeing a real mix of travel. So it's leisure travelers, so people who are traveling over the summer with families, over school holidays, into the more popular destinations in Europe, in the US. Then we also get a lot of solo travelers or couples who are looking to explore kind of more the frontier kind of markets. The CIS countries, for example, have proven to be really popular, as well as obviously the Maldives is always up there. When we look at the business travel en masse, we're not seeing much of an uptick in that at the moment. Over the next couple of months, we do expect a very strong demand for trips into the UAE for Q4, which will obviously then coincide with the start of Expo, and we see that continuing throughout the winter into the end of Q1, I would say, when Expo is looking to wrap up.
Etihad Airways offer free chauffeur services to and from Dubai for economy guests. Qatar to add 105 new properties in World Cup countdown. Cleartrip prepares for anticipated online bookings surge through a multi-year agreement with Sabre.